just came in today. What just came in today? First, is the lighting too bright? Like, wait a minute. Let me adjust like first. Okay, so look how big it is, and it's heavy too. Okay. I am so excited when it was out for delivery. Aduh, orang sebelah ni pun. Okay, when it was out for delivery status, I was so excited. But then later, I forgot that it was out for delivery. But then my father came in the room with this box, and I was like, yes, that is my dad. Thank you very much. I almost cried, but I didn't because I'm not gonna be a dramatic bee. But so the last one, the B album, was a gift from a friend, but this one is my own money. I bought it with my own money. Okay, so it's gonna be more precious, I guess. Okay, wait.
I don't want to like cut anything precious and gonna be very extra careful when I unbox this. It is so very well. Okay. I don't want to do it like this because you know I'm just afraid if I will damage anything inside. I bought this one from K-pop merch. I think K-pop merch. It is a Shopee shop.
Okay, sorry. I tend to be very ugly when I'm excited, guys. Okay, kejap. Okay kan? Wow. Dia besar ni weh. I don't maybe bubble wrap kot. Look at this. Oh, I think this is a free gift from the Weavers shop. Because let me remove the box. Because I bought this one with the package of Weavers gift and also folded poster. I can already see the poster. I think that is the poster. Okay, if it is a tube poster, it's gonna be a bit more pricey. There's also option with no poster, but I'm a classic bee. I want the posters. Okay, I want the posters even though it cost me extra money. But igonen, I don't, a BtS Island punya. I got Sugars. Oh, terlalu terang you. So this one is the Sugars one. Still terang. Okay, nampak tak? Di situ tu ada signature dia. Gitu. So cute lah Sugar. Oh my god. Meow meow. Army's meow meow. Okay. This is the Weavers one. Tak nampak. Okay, I got full socks. Is this the one that aku ni bengong sikit tau. Aku tak tahulah. Selalunya orang macam tak nak tengok. Tapi is this the one that only dapat satu member? I don't know, but I got J-Hope. Oh, we got. Alright, this is the poster. It's folded, but tak apalah. Saya redha je. Saya okay je. Anda okay? Maafkan saya kalau korang tak suka tengok poster kedut-kedut. But oh, pas. Bodoh juga ni. Okay, this is the folded poster. Wow, big. 진짜 크다. Where am I going to put this? I think up there. I might put it up there, but I might not. Yes, Kim Taehyung. Sassy for what? Gosh, these guys. I'm gonna look at this more thoroughly later. Okay, this is the Weavers shop punya apa tu kira gift. I already Okay, I knew who it is. It is Jimin. Ni apa It is Jimin. A Jimin. A Jimin. Oh, boleh letak kat dalam ni ke? Sekejap. Aku confused. Macam ni untuk apa? Ni untuk apa sebenarnya? Cuba beritahu aku ni untuk apa. Aku ni macam blur-blur sikit.
Yeah, this is the album, guys. It is so big and so heavy. Okay, thumbnail. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of the bubble wrap. Bagus lah, bubble wrap dia tebal, you know. Belilah daripada K-pop merch. It is so good. Okay. I just heard something drop. I just want a little bit of peace. Okay.
Now, let me show it to you. Okay, ni adalah cover slip dia. See? This is the cover slip. Yep, the cover slip. Okay, it is to protect our really precious album. Let's put it here. Itu. Alright, and this is how you open it. Like this. Yep. Yeah. This is the inside. Begitu bila buka dia macam. Okay, let's start. I think this is... Ni apa dah? Ni apa? Oh, CD. Asyik baik tak jatuh CD ni. CD dia nak terkeluar dah. Okay, this is the CD case. Proof. CD case contain 3 CD. Biar saya... Mari saya letak balik CD.
Ya Allah, CD terkeluar CD dia. Orang ni. Ni. Tak betul-betul. Kalau saya tak berhati-hati tadi, CD ni dia terkeluar kan? Ni saya betulkan dulu supaya saya tunjuk kat kalian. I'm gonna blast the CD on my laptop, okay guys? It is not a waste.
Okay, doakan tak jatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cantik.
Amazing.
Wih, cantik. Aku tak tahu apa yang cantik, tapi di mata saya cantik. Okay, saya akan share lah tujuan aku beli album ni. Dalam album ni ada lagu-lagu lama, like their hit songs. Semua macam terminologi begitu. Semua dalam ni. Salah tutup. Macam tu. Semua dalam ni. Okay, ni apa? Ni apa guys? Sekejap, bagi. Sekejap, sabar. Oh, ya, dekat dia. Jangkuk. JK. JK. Tengoklah. Ini adalah husband nombor 2. Asal aku tengok ni dulu Sekejap, sabar. Masukkan balik kad ni. Aku tak nak tengok dulu. Kita tengok ni last lah. Tapi aku dah terkeluarkan JK dulu. Tapi tak apa. Okay.
Kita ada ni. I don't know what this is. Sekejap, bagi saya buka. I think this is the album. Oh, it's like ni apa Aku ni bodoh sikit. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dia macam ni. Bila korang buka, merah, darah. Lepas ada itu. Lepas ada macam Sekejap. Aku yang buka je tau. Korang tengok tau. Tu. Tu dia ada ni apa? Love Yourself punya lagu. Aku selalu tak ingat tu. Sekejap. Dia ni kan? Abstract. I like that abstract. Ni the Map of the Soul punya konsep punya ni. Poster. Okay. Last one. Semua gambar-gambar lama, nampak tak? Precious. Totally precious. Very precious. Okay. Let's get rid of the bubble wrap. Okay. Let's get rid of the bubble wrap. Okay. 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 nampak tak mendak ni? Ni. Actually dia membantu untuk kau angkat barang-barang tau. Macam tu. Tak nampak kan, tapi dia membantu saya untuk, sebab ni kan kotak ni susah macam tu kan. Tapi dia angkat je, oh boleh angkat kan macam tu. Okay, the next book is this one. I think this is the, yes, I already, this is the album. This is the picture. Jimin ni hampir cakap pabu is tu. Yang Jimin tak pabu tau, Jimin is tak. Okay, very smart. Jimin ni. Enggak, okay dah. Tak ada nama. Berdosa. Tak ada. Okay, this is all of them, right? Tak ada. My head is sweet. Okay, next one. Okay, this is the macam lembut version. Tadi kan macam well, this one is a gentleman. We have Suga and also J-Hope. Yep. And last one. Jin. Okay. The last one is all of them. Next to mini version. Ni poster tadi, tapi yang ini yang dalam buku ni version lah. Okay, aku takkan kena saman, aku tunjuk sikit-sikit. This is like a preview, okay. Kalau korang nak tengok penuh, korang perlu beli. Saya mempromote. Okay, next one. The next book is, gambar dia orang cakap, this is the making of this album maksudnya. The making like behind the scene macam tu. Sini. That behind the scene gitu. Behind the scene. Comel lah sini. Abe-abe kita, ya Allah, nak jatuh dah kotak ni. Abe-abe kita dong dalam tu, abe-abe. Oh, ni jongkok. Abe-abe. So this is the behind the scene for the soft version. Alright, I think this is the lyrics. Yes, this is the lyrics. Nasib baik aku boleh baca Hangul tau. Aku boleh nyanyi sekali. Life goes on, butter. Lyrics, semua lyrics. In this is all the lyrics one. Gitu. Tak divide by kan? Oh, dia divide by colour juga. Kelabu lah sekali ni.
Untuk CD3. Kenapa aku nak beli lagi satu? Sebab nampak tak? Jump demo version. Apa lagi ni? Emehan Sai. Ni lagu lama ni, I think. Demo version Samnamja. Demo version I Need You. Demo version Hwangtan Sonyeondan. Wow. Yang ada saya yang macam tu.
Okay, that is all. Kita masukkan balik sebelum kita bergerak ke photocard kita. Sebelum kita bergerak ke photocard kita, ya. Okay. Stay in there beautifully.
Babies. Okay, kita dah tahu dah postcard kita apa. Next kita bergerak ke, alright, sabar. Ni apa? Okay. Okay, ini yang special tu. Kau tak tengok Ni yang special. Dapat satu je. Ini semua dapat semua member. Ni dapat semua member. Nampak tak? Ada
Kim Taehyung. Ada Kim Taehyung. RM. Jung Jungkook. Min Yoongi. Kim Seokjin. Jung Hoseok. Park Jimin.
Yep. This is all of them. Okay. Banyak dah thumbnail aku ni. Nak pilih je. This is the special one that people are like, I hope it is Taehyung. I don't know why, but I hope it is Taehyung. But some people got group punya. Aku dah pernah dapat group punya waktu beli waktu dapat BE. Aku dapat group punya Polaroid. But this one, I hope it is Taehyung, but if it is not, then it's okay. Okay. Korang tengok. Nampak ke? Macam jin tau. Sekejap. Jimin suka aku lah, aku rasa. Hello. I'm making video. Okay, kita sambung. Jimin. Aku rasa Jimin suka aku lah, weh. Aku rasa Jimin suka aku. Yang satu ni pun dapat dia. Like, how? Yang viewers ni dapat dia juga. I'm not disappointed. Kalau korang nak tukar, siapa yang dapat Kim Tae Hyung punya photocard, kalau korang nak tukar dengan saya, sila DM. Calling tak ada. This Polaroid, baru perasan ada belakang Jongkook kat belakang ni. Ni muka dia, ni belakang dia. But I'm happy that I got Jungkook. At least I got one of my husband. Aku special. Aku boleh 2 husband. Korang semua tak boleh. Aku je boleh. Cantik. So I got a Jimin and Jungkook. Okay, siapa tahu ni untuk apa? Korang bagilah tahu. Aku tak tahu ni apa. Oh, lah. Mas bodoh juga. Sabar. How do I do this? Oh. Wait. Kalau patah dah lah ni. Sekejap, siapa? Adalah magnet, guys. Magnet yang aku boleh dirikan. Macam ni, ha. Sabar. Aku tahu dah. Aku dah bijak.
Tiba dia jadi bijak. Okay, ambil ni. Okay, or any of your favorites. And then, kau letak tengah. Sabar lagi. Gitu. Nampak tak? Okay, yang ini kalau saya nak buat dia menjadi macam ni. Nampak tak kalau macam ni? Dia nak ni satu kalau korang nak dia berdiri betul-betul. Susah nak masuk. Okay, kalau korang nak berdiri dia tegak macam tu. I prefer lah kalau dia tegak. Sekejap aku tunjuk. Ni candle. Macam tu. Okay, boleh lah letak atas candle.
Yeay. Jimin menemani saya setiap hari lepas ni. Jangan risau, kita boleh tukar-tukar. So tak menyesal lah aku ambil yang Weavers Shop punya gift. Okay, so guys, that is all from me unboxing the love of my life. It will be my treasure. Nanti cucu-cicit aku, nanti diorang dah ada cucu-cicit, aku dah ada cucu-cicit, aku akan bagi tahu. Okay, ini adalah suami-suami nenek sebelum nenek kahwin. Apa maksudnya tu? Suami-suami hayalan. Okay lah guys, itu saja daripada saya. Nah, kita end bersama Jimin. Annyeong.
For the rest of my life, rest on